Hey, it's Gina from WTI. If you're looking for a tent that's going to meet all of your needs for all 4 seasons, then look no further than this ForestDawn tent. One of the features that I really just love is that it has 2 openings. There's nothing worse than needing to use the restroom in the middle of the night and having to crawl over someone to get to the door in order to get out. My husband and I recently went camping, and this 2-person tent accommodated us both really well. My husband is 6 foot and I'm 5'4", and both of us were able to fit into it just fine. I love that the outer tent has the capacity to have a little entry area. You could put your shoes or bags or whatever else outside so that it's still protected, but then you're not getting the inside of the tent dirty. When we camped, it wasn't windy, so I went ahead and set it up where we live because we get a lot of wind. I was getting upwards of 11 miles per hour with stronger gusts, and with the wind ropes, this tent did not budge at all. I even kept it up for a few days just to make sure the ropes held tight, there was no ripping or tearing of the materials. I also love that it has condensation vents at the top that you can prop open so it doesn't get all muggy inside the tent. I wasn't sure how the tent spikes would work because I'd never used that kind before that didn't have a hook, but they worked so well, and I was really surprised how easily they came out of the hard ground that was at our campsite. I feel this tent really accommodates all the needs I have when we go camping, and it prepares me for any eventuality as far as the weather goes. I really enjoyed using it, and that's my point of view.